Introducing the new Maxilla pocket hole machine. It clamps the stock, routes a pocket, and drills a pilot hole, all with a tap for foot pedal. This machine has a dual router setup, one with 2¼ horsepower, which is used for the pocket, and a 1 horsepower router for the pilot hole. These two routers are combined with a precise pneumatic drive motor that moves both routers in a rhythmic, smooth, quick motion, providing an ultra-low angle pocket hole that makes joining wood extremely easy. The adjustable fence allowing precise pocket hole placement, along with a laser to quickly line up your desired pocket hole location. The adjustable speed control is designed for the softest and hardest of wood species. This slows down the pneumatic action for harder woods and speeds up the action for softer woods, allowing the machine to be set accordingly to your specifications. Underneath the rear access door, you have a 4-inch dust collector port. This will allow you to attach whatever dust collector you may use in your shop. As you can see on the left, our Maxilla pocket hole machine gives you a very nice 4-degree angle, while most of our competitors are doing 6 to 15-degree holes. On the rear of the machine, you have an air regulator with a 1/4-inch air fitting. This can be switched to a regular air hose fitting if you prefer. This machine has a dual-sided tabletop, one textured for extra grip and a smooth surface. This is easily interchangeable by loosening up 2 bolts on each corner of the table and then flipping the board around. Thanks for watching. I see you guys the next time.